Hey, Seth Miranda here, and I just wanted to share with you a piece of gear that I was super impressed with on the road when we went to Europe for Photokina IBC. It is the new Westcott Flex Cine panels, the RGBW. So this is the next generation of the Flex line that's already been out there. Same durability, lifetime warranty, IP64 weather resistance, which means it can take some water on it. And we're also talking about colors now, not just true color, but 120 plus lead gels built into it, source matching bi-color. And you keep the same brightness through all the color spectrum. You don't lose any power out of switching between the colors. Now, on top of the rugged and durability, you have versatility. You have AC power, and you also have V-mount battery system that you can use with this, meaning that I don't have to plug it into anything. I can use this right on the field and just have a battery that's V-mount attached to this. 150 watt hours means that I can fly on a plane with it. Super portable, jam it in a bag, get going, able to light anywhere. Also, DMX. Wired in or Wi-Fi to an app on a smart device, awesome. Also, you have the Scrim Gym system with it, right? So you have the framing, the same diffusion that you're used to, and you can mount this to the back end. So this allows for a whole system of new modifiers. We're gonna see deeper boxes, we're gonna see barn doors for it, grids, barrels, a ton of different modifiers coming out for this, making this versatile, easy to use, lightweight, super durable, lifetime guarantee. It was awesome. It was just awesome. So when I was using this at Makeup Forever, we were able to actually sample the color off of the body paint on the model to make the light match the skin, which was incredible because we got to use the Luminaire app to get to that color and actually make the background be an element and raise the level of the photo shoot itself. We put the behind the backdrop, the paper, and I was able to actually play off of the contrast of the colors with the light matching the skin on the opposite side of the frame. Now for the second shoot, I dragged the shutter and I wanted the lights to rotate in color. So through the app, we were able to go to the effects mode and just cycle through colors while my shutter's open to get that rainbow color drag that we were really psyched on. These lights definitely elevated the production level of this shoot. Now the guys that were filming me had no problem because these lights are flicker free all the way down to 1% at 960 frames per second. So while they're doing video BTS of the shoot, there was no issue with the lights looking like they were freaking out. So I also used these at New York Comic Con live in front of a crowd with Daniel Norton. We shot a demo on how to shoot cosplayers. So we did some elevated techniques where I put this into one of my favorite colors, which was rose pink. It's a lead gel, went right into it, and I was able to do some pink colored drags and ghosts to elevate the cosplay photography, allowing the crowd to see what they could do in camera without having to do Photoshop to get some cool effects. This light enabled me to do that because it had enough power to actually handle blocking out the color, the ambient light in the space, allowing for this effect to shine through a lot easier. So I had a real blast using these lights on the road. They pack down real easily. They come in a 1x1, 1x2, flexible. They fit all in our bags. We had a ton of gear with us and it wasn't cumbersome at all, and it elevated every shoot that we used them with. So keep watching the channel for the videos where I actually use these in the wild. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit some comments up, and I will talk to you down there, and we will see you next time. Full visual spectrum of light color. Also, it's a, I mentioned everything that's on my wrist. I mentioned everything.